So the very thought of creating a digital product scares a lot of beginners. They don't even know where to begin. They are scared. How do I create a digital product? Yes, I know that creating a digital product can make me a lot of money, but how do I even go about it? Well, you're not alone. When I started, it was so tough for me that it took me about 3 years being on YouTube to really realize that, okay, a digital product doesn't have to be very cumbersome. It doesn't have to be so large and broad. You can actually drill it down to one problem at a time. That means you can have several digital products working for you in the back end. So if you want to create a digital product, I want to give you a simple hack that have worked for me. In fact, right now, I have like 3 digital products that has been generating passive income for me. The passive income that I mean is this: I created it in the past and I'm still earning money from those digital products. So before I share this hack with you, I want to ask you a simple question. How long have you been on YouTube, or how long have you been a creator on social media? So you've been an active user on these platforms, but I want to ask you a question. Have you noticed some patterns? What I mean is this: have you noticed that some of your posts, your videos, they tend to get more views than the others? Now, that is telling you what your target audience needs. So let's say you are a filmmaker and you publish 2 videos on YouTube. So one of the videos was about helping beginners to get started in photography, while the other video gave away some free presets, lots to help creators and filmmakers optimize and improve the quality of their videos. Now, this one that targeted beginners on getting started in photography, it got decent views, maybe about 5,000 views, which is okay. But this one that you gave away free stuff and it's tutorial based and it shows people exactly how to use your lot, you got about 15,000, 20,000 and above. I'm just making a comparison here. Now, this is the signal. Now, the performances of this post is just a signal to you that this one has more demand. So what it means is that pay more attention to this because there are more people looking for lots. What you now need to do is that when you want to create a digital product as a complete beginner, the algorithm is telling you something in this direction. You should consider making a digital course, a free preset or a premium preset that you can turn into a digital product that people can buy, because the one you get away for free, people responded to it. So right now, we give away free presets and lots. Now people have shown interest that they would need more stuff in this direction. So what you need to do is this. Now you can now use ChatGPT to get more ideas in this direction. So what I mean is this: go to ChatGPT and chat with it. Start by saying, I gave away free lots and presets in one of my videos and I got a lot of demand, a lot of downloads, and people were really thrilled by what I gave away. Give me 5 ideas for a digital product in this respect. You see, ChatGPT will generate some ideas for you. And now that people have downloaded it for free, many people do not know how to use it the right way. So that could be an idea for a digital product. So you could create an online course or a blueprint or a PDF blueprint that shows people exactly how to apply lots and how to use presets like a pro. So your online course could be titled How to Use Lots Like a Pro, how to upgrade your videos with lots, how to upgrade your videos with presets, how to create presets. You can see there are ideas that would help you create digital product without having to come up with some brand new ideas that never existed before. So check your catalog of posts and videos, both on TikTok, on IG, and find out which of them have resonated with people in the past. That is the direction you're going to go when it comes to creating your own digital products. So that is exactly what I did. I teach people how to start their own faceless YouTube channel. So I discovered that a lot of people have questions about what niche to pick, how to get started, how to create video, and how to use CapCut. So I decided to offer a one-on-one coaching section, and I charge premium for that. So in that coaching section, I taught people how to choose the best niche. I taught people how to edit their videos, and I taught people how to get free stock photos and generate images for their videos. And that has been my #1 source of revenue, even though on this channel, which is my personal brand channel, I am not yet monetized because I haven't met the requirements that is needed to get into the partner program. So you see, creating a digital product is actually a no-brainer, and the earlier you get started, the better. So if you need ideas on how to get started on YouTube so you can start making more money even though you're not monetized yet, kindly hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.